Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Agawa Boreal 21. The Agawa Boreal 21 is our top choice because of its versatile design and tough blade. Its unique design makes deploying super fast, carrying around easy, and slicing even large logs simple. These attributes make it the perfect option for backpacking, canoeing, clearing trails, and hunting. We can only describe the design of the Boreal 21 as revolutionary. At 21 inches, the stainless steel blade is long and firm enough for powerful strokes to rip even big logs. Besides, its trapezoidal shape with 3 hinges makes it the perfect pick for diameter cuts. Another selling point of this folding saw is how easy and fast it is to put together. The moment you take it out, it automatically unfolds and snaps into position to give you a sturdy hand saw in seconds. This makes it an ideal piece to use even in a hurry, like when trekking in a thicket. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Bakco 396 Laplander folding saw. This dazzling folding handsaw is our top pick for camping and runner-up in the entire list. The saw is not only durable, but also comfortable and is unlikely to let you down. It is not too big, and although you might struggle with heavy-duty cutting that survivalists encounter, it is a remarkable all-rounder. The 396 Laplander has a 7.5-inch stainless steel blade with 7 teeth per inch, TPI, which makes the right piece for cutting dry and green wood, bone, and plastic. The blade is also coated with an anti-corrosion material to prevent rust. To provide you with a firm grip, the Bahco 396 Lap's handle is designed with 2-component plastic. Therefore, you can easily cut dry and green materials without losing your grip. Further, the folding saw comes with a leather strap that makes it easy to carry around. At number 3, we have the EverSaw Handfolding Saw. If you are headed to the woods for camping or hunting, the EverSaw folding hand saw will come in handy to help you survive in different situations. The saw has a heavy-duty blade designed using carbon steel for extra durability. Carbon steel further helps the saw's triple-cut teeth stay sharp for longer, reduce friction, and cut through most materials with ease. When working for survival in the woods, comfort is crucial. This is why the EverSaw folding hand saw was designed with a slip-resistant, comfortable grip. When not in use, the blade snaps into the handle so that you can easily toss it into a pocket or backpack. At number 2, we have the Primos Folding Saw. If you are looking for a high-quality folding saw but do not want to spend a lot of money, we recommend the Primos Folding Saw. It offers the perfect balance between quality, durability, and price, with its compact yet functional design. We consider this an ideal piece for a casual camper who only needs a saw to use occasionally. We did not just pick this folding saw because it is inexpensive, but its outstanding features that can qualify it for a pricier tag. The Primos Folding Saw is designed with a compact design that makes carrying around easy. Also, it deploys very fast. Whether you are camping in the woods or working on the lawn, you can deploy the saw in seconds to cut twigs, branches, or bones. And finally, at number 1, we have the Silky new professional series KatanaBoy. Are you in the market for a special bushcraft folding saw? The Silky new professional series KatanaBoy folding saw could be your answer because of its amazing features such as the tough blade. The main selling point of the Silky new professional series KatanaBoy is its long and tough blade of 19.7 inches. It is well balanced with a non-set tooth design for extended reach. This design makes the folding saw a serious competitor to the legendary Japanese samurai. This saw is also carefully crafted to make it easy to use both hands for more cutting power. We found this very useful when working on big tree trunks or clearing tough bushes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.